Hey traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. And let's take a look here at the SPX. Pay special attention, we are looking at a weekly. This is a weekly chart. Bigger picture, something to take a gander at. S&P, move it back a little bit. I draw my upper trend line, my lower trend line. And this is what we have. We got resistance, support, support, resistance. Check this out. We did a touch and go. We touched support and shot right back up, giving us a hammer. How do you know it's a hammer? Because it has a hammer formation. And the lower shadow is 2 times or more the body with little to no upper wick. That is the definition of a hammer, and that's what we have here. Hammers usually mean hammering out the bottom. And we had several days coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bars or 9 weekly periods coming down. That's very extended. We're due for a bounce, and with this hammer, it tells me if we do make a higher high, meaning that if we go over, well, perhaps over the high, I would say, if we get over 1266, if we close over 1266 next week, that could be very bullish. Let's take a look here at the Dow. And here's the Dow. Again, this is the weekly. And resistance, support, support, resistance, support. We got a nice bounce. We've already made a higher high. Do you see this? Higher high. And that could be the beginning of a nice bounce that we're getting right here. So it should be interesting to see. We could have several weeks going up here. So we could end July and go into August quite bullish. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. Let's also go over here and take a look at the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ. And what's interesting with the NASDAQ is this, hit the resistance and support, but this one didn't go down to our support area. It stayed up a little higher. I want to bring this back so we can really take a look at this. Check this out. Resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance. It does not look like we're going to get down here to this lower support line. So if it does go up here, that would give us kind of a double bottom formation. And I would expect it to hit its head right here. And if it pops through this line, that could get really bullish. But not sure if that'll happen, but I do see the next few weeks possibly going up here. Plenty of room for that. And while we're at it, let's take a gander at the Russell's 2000. Russell's 2000 is very interesting because we have what looks to be a triple bottom. Triple bottoms can be very bullish. However, a triple bottom is not bullish until after it breaks resistance. This formation that we see right here happens to be called a descending triangle. Descending triangles tend to be very bearish. So if in fact we come up the next few weeks, tag resistance, and then come back down breaking this support, it could get really bearish out there. And this would be interesting to see what happens. So in short, I really think that we have another couple weeks. Check this out. This week was a higher high on the Russells. I see us some follow through to the bullish side, and across the boards. So the next 2-3 weeks could be very bullish. So if you want to take some profits on the bullish side, feel free to. But then be prepared to set some orders in place for shorting, because when it turns around, it could be mean and nasty. So right now, I've been pretty flat the markets, just taking little day trades here and there, and sitting back, waiting for the best time to strike and to put all my employees at work. So anyway, there you have it. And hey, thanks for coming to freetradingvideos.com and participating, and thanks for all those who are registering. We have over 121 countries coming to our site now. Hey, spread the word. Would you be so kind? Right now, there's no advertising. It's all organic growth. Do me, D7, a favor. And I speak for the other analysts too, Matador and Breakout Trader and the others. Do us a favor. If you know of traders out there and you frequent other blogs, if you like what you see here and you appreciate what you're getting here at Free Trading Videos, please put a link on your next blog entry, your next forum entry somewhere, and just let people know who we are. We're still fairly new, and we're still growing. And anyway, we'd like to see it go to the next level. A little tidbit for you, and let you in on a little secret. Phase 2 of Free Trading Videos is about to be unleashed. It's being engineered as we speak. Very exciting things coming, and I can't wait to show you guys this. You're gonna love it immensely. So have a great weekend. Until next time, happy trading, and be sure to always use stop losses.